Hi guys, wagwan, welcome back to my channel and happy new year wherever you are. I'm wishing you a wonderful 2024. Now, Google wants to pay you up to $181,000, okay? Now, before we get into this, today's quote for the day is, if you don't make the time to work on creating the life you want, you're eventually going to be forced to spend a lot of time dealing with a life you don't want. And this quote is by Kevin Injo. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that last name correctly. Hopefully I am. All right, so let's get into it, guys. The first job I want to review with you is that of a field sales representative, and this is in the public sector. It is based in California, and it is remote eligible. Okay, the minimum qualifications are a bachelor's degree or equivalent, practical experience. So if you don't have the bachelor's degree, of course, if you have the experience, you can still apply. They'll consider you for the job position. You need to have 7 years of experience in software as a service. That is what they stand for. Or / cloud computing sales, focusing on education, state or local government clients. Experience in technology related sales or business development, working with technology sales or public sector. And these are the preferred qualifications right here, not required. Again, 5 years of experience building strategic business partnerships with government customers, experience promoting infrastructure, software, databases, investigative tools, application software, or cloud solutions. And go ahead and read the rest, guys. They're going to tell you about the job in this section right here. And it's saying right here, the US based salary range for this full-time position is $106,000 up to $163,000 plus bonus, plus equity, plus benefits. And they're saying that the salary ranges are determined by the role, level, and location of the job, okay? Geographical location have a lot to do with how much you're going to get paid. All right, so this is one of the job. Today's video is brought to you by LADDY Holistics. Our products are a holistic blend of nature's goodness and crafted just for you. Are you tired of battling scalp issues like itching, eczema, dandruff, psoriasis, or folliculitis? Look no further, guys. I've got you. Our herbal products are a game changer in promoting a healthy scalp. But that's not all. Our scalp treatment is your secret weapon for hair growth. Watch as your locks transform into a vibrant crown of beauty. This treatment is infused with over 28 powerful leaves, roots, and oils. You will discover nature's power with our 100% natural and vegan ingredients. We believe in the purity of every drop, ensuring you only get the best for your hair, scalp, and skin. So, guys, say goodbye to harsh chemicals and embrace the gentle touch of Mother Earth. Use my link in the description box below for 25% off your first order. Okay, so for the role of technical editor for Google Cloud, all right, this is the job that will be paying you up to $181,000. Let's get right into it. Minimum qualification, bachelor's degree or equivalent, practical experience, 7 years of experience in technical editing, technical writing, or content management, experience producing or editing technical documentation for a developer audience, experience with Markdown. Now, preferred qualification, you need to be familiar with the Chicago Manual of Style and Trends in Language Usage, ability to quickly learn digital authoring tools. Go ahead and read the rest. They're going to tell you about the job. And here they're saying that the US-based salary range for this full-time position is between $121,000 up to $181,000 plus bonus, plus equity, plus benefits, okay? And again, the salary ranges are determined by the role, the level, and the location of the job. Go ahead and read the rest, and then they're going to also tell you the responsibilities of this position down here. I'll leave the link in the description below for every job that I post. The link is always in the description below for the specific job, and I also leave the general careers link for the specific company in the description box as well. So just in case these jobs reviewed on the video have expired or closed, you are still able to go to the company website and search for jobs and apply to the ones that you like. Okay, happy job hunting. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more content like these. God bless, love, and peace.